Hi everyone, welcome back again to me, and in this video I would like to read some article again. And before I start, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Mm, the title of this article is While Closed Down for Third Strike Session on Fed Rate Hike Worry. Mm, this article by Cook Nicolais. Reuters. New York, August 30. Reuters US stocks closed lower for a third straight session on Tuesday as a rise in job openings fueled fears the US Federal Reserve has another reason to maintain its aggressive path of interest rate hikes to combat inflation. The benchmark S&P 500 index (SPX) has tumbled more than 5% since Fed Chair Jerome Powell on Friday reaffirmed the central bank's determination to raise interest rates even in the face of a slowing economy. Labor demand showed no sign of cooling as US job openings rose to 11 million in July, and the prior month was revised sharply higher. A separate report showed consumer confidence rebounded strongly in August after three straight monthly declines. They have to weaken the labor market, and how are they going to do that? They are going to jump rates and make things so expensive that people are going to pull back, demand is going to fall off, and people are going to get laid off, said Ken Polcari, managing partner at Cash Capital Advisor in Boca Raton, Florida. It locks them it locks them in even further. The data increases the focus on the August not farm payrolls data due on Friday. The Dow Jones Industrial Average (DJI) fell 308 12 points or 0.96% to 31.790. The S&P 500 SPX lost 44.45 points or 1.10% to 3, and the Nasdaq Composite IXIC dropped 134 points or 100.12% to 11. New York Fed President John Williams said on Tuesday the central bank will likely need to get its policy rate about 3.5% and is unlikely to cut interest rate at all next year as it fights inflation. However, Atlanta Fed President Raphael Bostic said in an easy published on Tuesday the Fed could dial back from its recent string of 75 basis point hikes if new data shows inflation is clearly showing Richmond. Fed President Thomas Barkin said the Fed's pledge to bring inflation down to its 2% goal will not necessarily result in a severe recession. Traders are pricing in a 74.5% chance of a third straight 75 basis point rate hike at the Fed's September meeting. Fed Watch, each of the 11 S&P 500 sectors were in negative territory, with the energy sector SPNY down 3.36%, the biggest percentage decliner as oil price settled down more than 5% on concern that the slowing of global economies could shape demand. Rate-sensitive mega-cap growth and technology stocks such as Microsoft Corp MSFT down 0.85% and Apple inch AAPL of 1% were among the biggest drags on the benchmark index. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And see you soon in the next video.